Hi guys, I'm here at CES at Tech West and I'm about to have a conversation with a robot because that's what you do at Tech West, right? I'm here with SoftBank Robotics and they make the Pepper robot. Now, Pepper might be familiar to you, but what we're going to do today is simulate what it would be like to walk into a retail store and pick up an online order from a robot. Now, I've ordered a t-shirt, I've taken a photo of my face, and that's how Pepper's going to recognize me when I get into the store. Now, let's go in and I'll pick up my shirt. Hi, Pepper.
Hi, Claire. I presume you're here to pick up your online order. Do I have that right?
Yes.
Great. I thought so. Here is what I have on file for you. Does everything look right with your order?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'll let the team know you're here for your order. While you wait, other users who bought this t-shirt also bought these items. Would you like to add any of these items to your order? Please click on any product that interests you. You have two options for purchase. You can have it brought up with your order via instant checkout, or I can give you in-store directions to the item. Which would you prefer?
Give me directions.
Directions it is. You can find that item in the section of the store to my left. It will be located on the 5th row, the second item from the right.
Okay, thanks Pepper. I'm going to take my t-shirt, and because I bought some active wear, Pepper's actually recommended that I get some deodorant, which is probably a good idea for CES anyway. So it's actually spoken to this robot here, which is called Tally, and this is a robot that's able to intelligently scan shelves, like you'd have at a supermarket, say, and pick up how many items are on the shelf. Now, this is really important for fast-moving consumer goods like deodorants or things you might buy in a supermarket. In fact, they're already using RFID chips on products in stores to be able to scan those and tell how many items are on the shelf. Now, Tally's really intelligent. We'll just continue to scan the shelves, but won't knock me over if I get in its way. So I'll just, oh, excuse me, Tally, I'm just going to walk through and get my deodorant that Pepper so helpfully recommended I probably need. And she said, here we go, coconut. All right, that's me. So this robot here, Tally, is communicating with Pepper and giving information to retailers in real time. So saying things like, this is how much consumers are spending, this is what they're buying, and this is their average cart size. Now, a retailer can use that information to feed it back and get a sense of what products are going well and maybe say, all right, well, we're really not moving much of this coconut deodorant, maybe we should put a deal on that. These kinds of robots are in stores now, but they're going to become much more common. So they're in banks like HSBC, they're being used for education purposes, for kids, and they're also being used in, as I said earlier, hospitality situations, retail stores, anywhere you might have an easy customer service interaction that can be replaced by a robot, you may see Pepper soon. So don't be surprised if you pick up your order from a robot and it tells you to buy some deodorant, because that's what CES is all about, right? All right, thanks guys. It's been really fun. We've got plenty more to come from Tech West. So make sure you stay tuned to CNET and we'll have plenty more from the show floor. Okay, thanks.